Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to integrate monday.com with other services. First, go to monday.com and make sure you are logged in. Here, click on this puzzle icon given in your top right corner to open Monday Marketplace. In the Integration Center, you will see a list of available integrations with third-party services. Browse the list to find integrations that match your workflow needs. You can search for specific integrations or explore categories such as productivity communication, project management, etc. Select the integration you want to use and click on the Install Application button. Then follow the prompts to connect it to your monday.com account. Depending on the integration, you may need to log into your account for the third-party service and grant permission for monday.com to access your data. Once the integration is connected, you may have options to configure settings and customize how the integration works. Configure settings such as selecting specific boards or columns to sync, specifying trigger conditions, mapping fields between services, and etc. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.